Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the streams in Snowflake. So the stream is a way of implementing a change data capture. And what does change data capture mean? It's basically a process of capturing all of your DML operations that are happening in your table. These can be inserts, updates, or delete. And the streams capture CDC in the most efficient format in Snowflake. It is very efficient because it comes as a built-in function in Snowflake. So you can think of stream as a table that makes this change data available to you, indicating what has changed in the source table between two transactional points. So a typical flow of data in any data warehouse looks something like this. So you upload your data into your AWS S3 bucket, and from the S3 bucket, it moves into your raw tables, which are also known as a staging area. And then from the raw tables, the data moves to your production tables, which is basically a structured table. So when you need to transfer your data, once it reaches the raw table into the production table, that's when streams come into action. So you can define a stream on your raw table, which will let you know how many rows have been newly ingested. And then only those newly rows will be ingested from the raw tables into the production table using the stream. So let's say 20 new rows come into your raw table, which had updates. So you can actually your production table on the basis of the data that you have captured using your stream from the raw table. So this is a very typical use case of streams. There are some other use cases for streams as well. For instance, updating your search history or search indexes. Moreover, streams can also use for streaming analytics and anomaly detection, for auditing transaction logs, for any event-driven data program, and for ETL pipelines for incremental data loads from your raw table into the production table. That's all about streams. In the next video, we'll see how we can actually implement the streams in Snowflake. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.